This will be a how-to on testing a pager, and also will include on how to test pager coverage. So to where you could basically walk around the plant to ensure you're getting coverage throughout the entire plant. What you do is you'll come to this VT3000 welcome page. You're going to be selecting this VT3000 core software. Where we're trying to go here is for communication. So on the menu on the left, it's down here, or you can select the icon here. It's going to bring up this page. And so by default, it'll be set to the on-site pager. So we'll leave that as is. If you were to select this down there, it gives you all the different types of outputs that you have. So here we're going to be selecting this pager. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to type in my message. So I'm just going to use this testing one with the time. So once I have my message in, I just hit send. So now then this will say that it's actually sent out that page to this pager, or that message to this pager. Just want to verify with them that they got it. If they didn't, then there's an issue in the background. Please let us know and we can help you walk through that, see what's going on. The other way that you can use this is to use it as a pager coverage. And basically the only difference is you're just going to hit this repeat every 20 seconds. So what it's going to do is it's going to send out this testing message every 20 seconds. So what you can do is take that, grab that pager and walk around the plant with it every 20 seconds. You should get a page. If there's a period of time that's elapsed that's more than 20 seconds and you haven't gotten a page, then you're going to know that's a problem area for communications. So basically you can just hit the send. That's going to keep going out. And then once you've done your paging walk, what you want to do is you want to come back to this page. You want to uncheck that. And then you want to hit send. So then that will actually stop it from repeating every 20 seconds. Otherwise, it's going to keep going until you come in here and stop it. Once you're done, you can return home, bring it back to the VT3000 homepage. And that will conclude our how-to on testing a pager and or paging coverage. Look forward to talking to you again.